So, hello everyone. How are you to all? So, after a long time, we are here. So, today we are going to start like a logical operator in Python. So, basically, if I talk about logical operators, so basically we deals with the three components and or not. Basically, first I'm telling you like a simple definition of logical operator, like why we are using logical operator and what is use of logical operator. So basically logical operators in Python are used for conditional statement. So our main agenda is to use logical operator in conditional statement where we have lots of conditions, and that time we need result in form of boolean like true or false. So it combines the result of one or more expression, and these are called logical operators. So this is a simple definition of logical operators. So in logical operators, if I talk about first one is and. How and operator behave, what is working of and operator, right? So I'm just giving you a simple example, like 8th class example. Clearly we have mentioned here, we have mentioned here and returns true if both statements are true. We have like a two statements. If both statement will be true, then it will give you the result like a true. Then it will accept yes, this condition is true. Like simple, if I am saying and operator, like it returns true only if both operands are true. In any other case false will be written. Like if I say and operator, this is right, this is and operator. First I am just giving an example, then we will start like a program. Okay, so in or and operator, so first statement is true, okay, and second statement is also true, then this will give the result like a true. Okay, true. Okay, if like first statement is true and second statement is false, then result will be false. Okay, if like first statement will be false and second statement also will be false, then this will give result like a false. Okay, if other condition is we have like a first statement is false and second statement is true, then result will be false. So main motive of and operator is to basically, if in condition, if both statement will be true, then I will give you the result like a true. Okay, if like both statement are not true, then result will not true. So similarly we have like a logical or operator. Similarly I'm giving you example like this one, or operator. First statement is true, or operator always say if if any one of the condition is true, then I will give you the result true. So basically this simple definition of or operator is it returns false if both operands are false, otherwise return true. When both operand will be false, then result will be false. If any one statement or operand is true, then result will be true. Like first statement is true and second operand is false, then result will be true. Okay, like first statement is false, then it will check second operand, like this will true, then result will be true. Okay, if first operand is false and second operand is also false, then result will be false. Okay, like first operand is true, then next operand is like a true, then result will be true. Okay, okay, I think we are good. Okay, similarly we have third one is like a not operator. What actually said the not operator is used to reverse the logic state of its expression. In other words, true become false and false become true. The main motive of not operator is to inverse the statement. Yeah, inverse the output or inverse the statement. Like if a statement is true, then it will reflect like false. If like false, then it will reflect like a true. This is the like a basic concept of logical operator. I hope this is clear to you. So I will post all these codes in the description. If you want, then you can check out. So now we have like a program. I'm just commenting all these things. Okay, yeah. So like here I'm taking a two variable, like a is equals to a is equal to 2 and b is equals to 3. Okay, and third one is c is equals to 4 and d is equals to 5. Okay, and here I'm putting some conditions like I'm taking here like a if statement. Okay, wait, like currently currently we are not learning currently we don't have information about like conditional statement, so I'm not taking here if else conditions or other conditional statement. So in a simple word I'm giving to you explanation like this one. Like print true, and this is a symbol of AND operator, and or an exclamation mark is for not. Okay, if I put here true, okay, I'm giving this one, then what will be the result? Let's wait. I have executed the code, then you can see it. Result is true because this condition is satisfying, right? This condition is satisfying in AND operator section. This condition is satisfying. Like if I put true, second condition false, then result should be like a false. Result is false. If I put for if I put here like false, and here also false. Then what should be result? Result will be false because both the statement is false, then result will also be false. Okay, similarly I'm doing here like or conditions. You can use this thing also, I think. No, false. Okay, and you can use this one also, and you can use this one also. If false false, then result will be false. I'm just I clear this section. The result will show like pretty much good. Okay, so like next we have if if I put here true, then what result? Result should be like a check condition, like a true or false. Then condition will be true. Condition will be true. The condition is like a true. Okay. Similarly, you can check out all those things. Okay. Like if I put here exclamation mark, true exclamation mark. Just notice the result. Oh no, it's not coming. I think like that. I think this will work like that. No. Yeah. So when I'm using like not, then this will work like that. Okay. So I think this is enough for logical operator. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.